Namaste. Okay. Today I'm going to teach Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. Okay. This is the morning prayer. Okay. Say Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. Karagre Vasate Lakshmi. Karamadhye Saraswati. Karamule Sthite Gauri. Prabhate Karadharshanam. Yes, then I'm going to teach one Ganesha story. Okay. One day, Parvati wanted to take a bath. Who is Parvati? Parvati is a Shiva's wife and Ganesha's mother. So, one day she wanted to take a bath. So, she created one beautiful young boy named as Ganesha. So, and she said no one to enter while she bathed. So, she named that little boy as a Ganesha. Everyone knows Ganesha, no? Yes. So, soon Lord Shiva returned to the home. It was surprised to see the Ganesha. So, Ganesha refused to allow Lord Shiva to enter the house. So, he refused the Ganesha to enter into the house. So, Shiva got furious and he was so angry. So, he sent Nandi to fight with Ganesha. So, Ganesha defeated Nandi. So, finally, Shiva got so much of angry. So, he cut off Ganesha's head. When Parvati came out and saw her son dead, she was furious. Shiva tried to console her, but she couldn't stop crying. So, she ordered Shiva to bring him back to the life. Shiva asked Nandi to bring the north-faced animal. So, Nandi brought north-faced elephant head. So, Shiva placed Ganesha's elephant head to the Ganesha's body. So, and brought him back to the life. Now, then onwards, he named as a Gajamukha. Gaja means here elephant. Mukha means face. Thank you. Bhajanas, I will teach small one. Okay? Small. Ganesha Sharanam Sharanam Ganesha Ganesha Sharanam Sharanam Ganesha Siddhi Vinayaka Sharanam Ganesha Buddhi Pradayaka Sharanam Ganesha Ganesha Sharanam Sharanam Ganesha Ganesha Sharanam Sharanam Ganesha. One more I will teach Dhanvantari mantra. You know Dhanvantari? Dhanvantari is the incarnation of Vishnu. Okay? Everyone knows Vishnu, no? Yes, I will show. By sharing the screen, I will show the pictures. Okay? Dhanvantari is called as a doctor of gods because Dhanvantari only introduced Ayurvedic medicine. Okay? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantraye Amrita Kalashahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokanataya Shri Mahavishwe Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantraye Amrita Kalashahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokanataya Shri Mahavishnuve Namaha. One more thing. I will say some shlokas from Hanuman Chalisa. Okay. Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raja निज मनु मुकुरु सुधारे बरनौ रघुभरा बिमल जसु जोदायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन सुमिरौ पवन कुमारा बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकारा. In the fast beat, how to say the Hanuman Chalisa? जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत तुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन भरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा. And I'm going to teach one the Lalita Sahasranama, one shloka with my own tone. Okay. श्री माता श्री महाराज्ञी श्रीमत् सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुंड संभूता देवकार्या समुद्यता उद्यद्भानु सहस्राभा चतुर्बाहु समन्विता रागस्वरूप पाषाढ्या लोक क्रोधाकारांकुशोज्ज्वला. Then I'm going to teach one song. Okay? Yeah. जगत जननी जगदम्बा 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 भवानी जगत जननी जगदम्बा करुणा करि वीणाधरि वाणी करुणा करि वीणाधरि वाणी अम्बा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी अम्बा भवानी जगदम्बा भवानी जगत जननी जगदम्बा जगदम्बा. Now जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्ग डमन्निनादवड्डमर्मयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवं शिवं शिवम्. In fast beat. जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह निनादवड्डमर्मयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवं शिवं शिवम्.